Hi everybody and welcome to another edition of Jame's Jam. I'm Jame. This is my jam. I have another unboxing for you today. I took all the stickers off it so I don't have to call out my address. And this is just a little something I got. I got something just like it before and liked it so much I had to get another one. It's interesting, I'm jonesing a lot of times for this new bag or that new bag, but it's harder to pull the trigger because they're expensive. And sometimes I would buy Coach bags instead of luxury and try to scratch the itch, but it never quite worked. And then I found something that wasn't too expensive that I just absolutely loved, and I bought one, which you've already seen, so I had to buy another one. So today I am unboxing for you. Give you a hint here. I can't really give you a hint. Well, just show right here. Marc Jacobs, and as you probably can see now, I bought another one of those mini traveler bags. I'm so excited to open this. I got it this weekend, and I just got a chance to film right now. My address and stuff isn't in there. And I love my tie-dyed one so much. I've been using it ever since I got it. So then I knew I wanted another one, but I wanted to get a solid color. And the other thing I wanted was the first one I bought from Nordstrom. This one I bought directly from Marc Jacobs. It was a little cheaper than the tie-dye one, which was nice. It's hard to get this undone. But the reason I really wanted this, and let me just try to get this apart. Yeah, I should probably brought a scissors or something over here. Let's see how it's doing it. There we go. This is a little messy. I got this because I loved the strap on these. On any of the ones that aren't tie-dyed, the strap doesn't match the bag. Instead, it's black. Silver hardware, which I absolutely adore. Silver is my favorite, always has been. But yeah, I wanted the black strap. I love this color. This kind of khaki green. Is it called slate green, I think, in here? But again, just another perfect bag. This is exactly the same as my tie-dye one. Exactly. So I'm not going to go through all the taking all the stuff out and everything right now. But yeah, this bag is just fantastic. The interior has kind of like a coated canvas, so you can actually wipe this out if you need to. And there's a little card, little one of those things. And this zips. It just reminds me so much of the Celine Nano. It just does. Only it's under $200. And yeah, it's got a water bottle holder. I think you can put your sunglasses there, like the Celine. And it's just such a nice size. I can fit everything in there, everything and then some. Makes me start wanting to carry some extra stuff in my bag that I haven't been carrying lately. And then the backside just has the normal Marc Jacobs patch like the other ones do. So I believe this came in at $175. So my tie-dye was $195 and this was $175. So yeah, I couldn't resist. I like this one. I don't have to worry about any color transfer. My tie-dye has kind of the mint green, light blue strap, and I just wanted something that I knew wouldn't get dirty. It's got a little leather like belt loop there, whatever you want to call it. And this is big enough where I can wear this crossbody comfortably by adjusting the strap. So yeah, this is my second little Marc Jacobs tote, and I am just super excited to have it and trying to talk myself out of buying yet another color. This is, again, the mini traveler. This isn't the full tote size, or the small. The small looks good, but I'm just not a tote gal, so the small is too big for me, for what I like to carry. I really like the mini. So, yeah, that's all I really have for you today. Just wanted to let you see it quick before I started to use it. And just thank you so much for joining me. I really appreciate it. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments down below. Subscribe if you would like. That would be awesome. And if you have any questions, want me to show what fits, want me to do any showing it, how it fits me, anything like that, mod shots, that's it. Just let me know. Otherwise, again, thanks so much for stopping, and please do unto others as you would have them do unto you. Until next time, bye.